In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete spot from skin on Canva. So first of all, you can see I import a video from Canva album. So you can see lots of dark spots on here, and I want to remove. So now just first select this image. Now click on just edit, then click on image eraser. Then you can select which part you want to remove. Okay, that's good. Now just click on erase. Then you need to wait only a few seconds. It's called like 2, 3, 5 seconds. It's depend on your internet. So you can see, wow, beautiful. Now this skin look like fantastic, and it's a rating 10 out of 10. So which rating you want to give me? Please comment below. And if you found this video helpful, please consider like and subscribing. See you again. Take care. Bye.